We'll guide you through how to slow down a clip in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. On the Edit page, locate the clip you want to slow down in the timeline. Simply right-click on the clip, then go to the Change Clip Speed option in the context menu. A window will pop up where you can adjust the speed. To slow down the clip, decrease the percentage value under speed. For example, setting it to 50% will slow the clip down by half. If you want to maintain the pitch of the audio, make sure to check the pitch correction box. Once you've set your desired speed, click Change to apply the changes. You'll notice the clip's duration has increased on the timeline, reflecting the slower speed. If you need more precision, you can use the Fad Temp. You can use the Fad Temp controls by right-clicking on the clip and selecting ART Fad Temp. This will allow you to add speed points and adjust the speed at specific points within the clip, giving you more granular control. To smooth out the motion, consider using Optical Flow, which you can find in the Inspector panel under the Retiming Process dropdown. Select Optical Flow for better motion estimation. Remember, slowing down a clip too much might result in choppy or unnatural motion unless you shot the footage at a high frame rate originally. Experiment with different settings to achieve the best result. Once you are satisfied, make sure to save your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.